everyone, Frank Fast Forward here. So today we are showing how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video for your technical product. So most YouTube videos have people, so the thumbnail has a face, but when you are selling specific products, specifically in B2B, what you want to do is be very specific about the product you're selling and what exactly you're showing on the thumbnail. You want to get right to the point. So the big thing with thumbnails is when people click on it, they're getting what they think they're clicking on. They don't want clickbait or something like that. So let's jump in and how I do it. So I use this program called Canva. Right now I'm just on the free version, so this is available to anyone. And I already have a basic thumbnail here, but let me show you how I got started. So you go ahead to File and you hit Create New Design. You can type thumbnail right into the top here, and the big thing is you want it to be 1280 by 720. That's the correct resolution for YouTube thumbnails. You can also custom do that. So when you get it, you're going to have just a completely white page. So first thing you can do is add your logo. To do that, you just click Uploads here and you go ahead and you upload your file. So you pick your image that you want to put for your logo. Go ahead and drag it here. What I like to do is I use black a lot in my general color scheme for the branding. You can use different colors, but black I find is easy because you can have the products floating. You don't have to worry about alignment and colors and all these different things. Black is pretty easy. It's also easy for the viewer to look at and see. So I like to use black, but you can really use anything. I would not use white, however. So get the logo. Then you want the title. So this time I'm actually doing something different. So I'm going to do the full walkthrough here. This time I am making it for my 10 kilonewton wrap grips. So I want to go ahead and change this image. So first I will remove this. I can just hit Control X to remove that. And then I want to upload my file, but first I need to change the background of that file. So let me show you how I do this. I use this program called Remove Background, just remove.bg. Again, I use the free version. If you do this a lot, you can do the premium version, which gets you a little bit higher resolution. So this is my image for the new thumbnail that we're making. So I removed the background. You can see this cross hatching. That means that it's just like now a floating background. What I can then do is go ahead and add a background. So what I like to do is add the color, and my color scheme is a special type of black, 21 by 21 by 21. So when you look at colors online or on the computer, they're on the RGB scale, and it's basically an amount from 0 to 255 of how much red, green, or black is in the color. There's also another color scheme called hex, and these basically are not exactly the same, but they correlate to each other. So if you know the hex code for one of your colors, you can go in and just Google what the RGB code is for that hex code, or vice versa. If you know the RGB code, you can go find the hex code. So this is the color code that I like to use for all my images. So I go ahead and selected that, and now it's completely black on the background, and then I can hit download. So I got it downloaded there. Now let me go back here and upload the file. Here we have it. Here it's just uploading, so I just click it and drag over, and then it'll drop it right into my thumbnail that I'm making. So I like to make it big, like wherever there's space. So it's good to have the title of the product and then something a little bit about what it does. or just a little bit more to get people to click so they know it's for them. It's the information they're looking for. Okay, so for tensile testing cords, because this is like a cordage type material. And then maybe another little, not quite call to action, but like another little feature that I can say fits any testing machine. It just fits any machine. And then maybe I'll make this a little bit smaller because it's important, but it's not the main focus of the video. That's a little bit too small. Check the spacing there. Okay, so that's pretty much it now. I go ahead and now I'm just going to download a copy of this. So I hit File, Download. Now it's downloading. I have a specific thumbnail, 10 km back grips, boom. So now my thumbnail is done. And the nice thing about this, there's a little, going into the logo a little bit right there. Okay. And we'll download again. All right, so once you make the template and you have something that's working for you, it's very quick to make new thumbnails. So spend a little time on different thumbnail templates that work for you, and once you have them, you can just kind of churn them out. So I'm going to go ahead and post my YouTube video and use this as my thumbnail for it. So it shows exactly what the product is, has a nice big picture of the product, fits any machine, it's for tensile testing cores, so people know exactly what it is when they click on it, and then when they go to the video, it's just going to basically show these in action. All right, so that's about it for this video. If you're interested in this type of content, I have a Skool Community which runs over completely how to build your own business selling technical equipment. So the idea is that you can become a distributor and sell essentially anything online by building a website, a YouTube channel, and just providing education on the type of products. You get people who are interested in the product, and they'll reach out to you for where they can buy it, how they can source it, and then that's when you come in and you can drop ship it to them, or you can take possession of the product and then ship it to them. So you can do this with literally anything. I do it with this type of testing equipment, but you can do it with microscopes. I actually have a 100 row list of different items that you can sell, different business models that you can copy and do. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, head over to my Skool Community. I'll drop a link down below. It's free for the first 100 members. So we're filling up fast here in early 2025. After it fills up the first 100 members, we'll probably start charging for the course. But go ahead, check it out. All sorts of other tips on how to write technical articles, how to bring in leads. That's what it's all about, is how to bring in the leads for your business. All right, guys, Frank Fast Forward signing out. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.